The stage is set for the biggest clash of the Asia Cup tomorrow. India takes on Pakistan in Dubai. The match will take place at Dubai International Cricket Stadium and is set to start at 8 o'clock in the evening. Team India will be led by Suryakumar Yadav and Pakistan will be led by Ali Agha. India also enters the game as heavy favourites and even lead in head-to-heads against Pakistan. Let's run you through Team India's likely 11 for the big clash against Pakistan on Sunday. At the top, explosive Abhishek Sharma is expected to open alongside vice-captain Shubman Gill. Mumbai Indians' Tilak Varma slots in at number 3, followed by skipper Suryakumar Yadav and wicket-keeper Sanju Samson. The all-rounders department looks strong with Hardik Pandya, Shivam Dube and Akshar Patel in the mix, while the bowling attack is likely to be led by Varun Chakravarti, Kuldeep Yadav and pace spearhead, in fact, Jasprit Bumrah. Times Now is on the ground bringing you the latest as to how the atmosphere really is. Take a look at these reports.
This is the ICC Academy in Dubai where the Indian team is practicing ahead of all its matches, and this is the big one. India versus Pakistan on the 14th of September. If we just talk about the practice first, it has been intense. They have been doing some fun drills. There was some football as well earlier. Now, of course, they are doing the regular practice that there is earlier as well. The Team India was practicing. We had seen Shubman Gill in the net. We had seen Hardik Pandya also warming up. Gautam Gambhir having some conversation with Shubman Gill, then giving batting tips to another batsman. So it was all going down in this particular practice session. But then when we come to the big question, the India versus Pakistan match, should India play? Should India not play? There was a press conference by India's batting coach Sitanshu Kotak, and he was asked 2 questions on this particular issue. And he just said one thing, which was that the government and the BCCI views are aligned. We are here to play competitive cricket, and that is what we are going to be focusing on, and that is what the Indian cricketers are also going to be focusing on. And going by the practice that is, of course, happening here at the ICC Academy, the cricketers are very, very into it. They know that UAE was an easy match. Pakistan is, of course, going to be a tougher match. It is the match of the tournament, if one can say, because India and Pakistan are the 2 teams that are very, very important in this tournament. We can see T. Dilip and Hardik Pandya at this moment in some conversation. Hardik Pandya walking in with his bat. He also knows how important he is for India when we talk about the India versus Pakistan match. So obviously very, very important practice session this, but it will be very, very interesting to see if these cricketers can actually block out the outside noise that they say they only focus on a match as just another game. But in the wake of the Pahalgam terror attack, what has happened in our country, civilians being killed by Pakistan, this all becomes very, very important. Of course, there's a sports policy in place that has been BCCI's defense ever since the policy came into being and was implemented. But there are, of course, calls for boycott of this match. There is a certain section that believes that, that BCCI should rise above money and not play this Asia Cup. But at the end of the day, this is an Asian Cricket Council event. This is not a bilateral, is what BCCI has been saying. And that is why we see the Indian team right out here at the ICC Academy practicing for the India versus Pakistan match.
The Indian team is here and they are ready for the big match, India versus Pakistan. You can see the players coming out. Hardik Pandya on your screen. There's Gautam Gambhir, Shivam Dube who have come in here, who are asking for their signatures to be done, pictures to be clicked. But of course, the players walking right in as far as this match is concerned. You can see Sanju Samson right there walking in for the first practice session ahead of the India versus Pakistan match. T. Dilip, the fielding coach, is here. The other players also walking in here at the ICC Academy. Tilak Varma here, and constantly you can hear them asking for the cricketers to come here. Shubman Gill right there at the ICC Academy, and he seems to be coming here to sign the autographs and to oblige a few of the fans as well over here. So obviously he's gonna obliging the fans here, and he is making their day. All the smiles on these kids' faces as Shubman Gill walks into the ICC Academy to sign some bats and jerseys and signatures. And obviously, let's talk to these kids as well who've got the signatures. Kuldeep Yadav right here, Harshit Rana in the screen on your screens right now, and let's talk to these kids right now. You have got Shubman Gill's signature. How excited are you now?
Very excited.
Abhishek Sharma seems to be coming here to sign some bats and jerseys and some signatures here. And he's right in the frame here, signing right across as his picture on the bats, on the notepads, on some small bats as well. And this is always the highlight for these kids who wait at the ICC Academy in this heat to get their bats signed by their favorite cricketers. And Abhishek Sharma, of course, obliging all of them right here. He's also taking some pictures here, and he is Jasprit Bumrah right in our screens right here, and obviously a lot of screens for Jasprit Bumrah as well. Surya Kumar Yadav is also here, and he is coming towards the fans right now and he is waving to the camera as well. And I don't know if he has a message for the camera right in his face at this point, but he is signing these notepads, he is signing these miniature bats as well. And this is going to be the big first practice ahead of the India versus Pakistan match. And it'll be interesting to see what the captain has to say as per this match. And he's right here signing more bats, making the kids happy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And also having a conversation with the kids with requests of hitting a century as well. So obviously a lot of fans here gathered for the Mumbai Indians jersey also right here in support of Surya Kumar Yadav. So obviously very, very exciting match, and the build-up is only going to get real from right here in Dubai.
And with this, we will slip into another short break. More news and updates on the other side. Stay with us.